Thanks for joining me on another episode of Dash of Kimballism Cooking. Today, it's all about chicken. To be exact, baked Honey-Dijon citrus chicken. Now that's quite a tongue twister, say that 3 times fast. But it is a delicious, easy to make dish. And I'm gonna show you how to make it today. And it's great after a long day's work and you're tired and you just want something good and you don't want to fuss. This is the dish for you. So let's take a look at the grocery list. Now that you've got the shopping list all done, let's start cooking. So the first thing we're going to need is a nice half cup of honey. So let's pour that into the bowl. Honey's really healthy for you, by the way. I have the raw honey. Great, very healthy for you. Honey's very sticky. Winnie the Pooh loves this stuff. Okay, now we want a half a cup of Dijon mustard. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Let's do 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Mix that in a little bit. Smells very Dijon-y. And then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Alrighty. We're gonna mix that in really well. Now that that's nice and mixed, let's put that off to the side. Let's bring our lovely chicken in. And let's put a little bit of pepper on it. And of course, a pinch of salt going on it. Yeah, that's going to be very tasty. So now, let's pour on our beautiful concoction here of honey and Dijon mustard and lemon and orange juice. Look at that. Going to be a very tasty dish, let me tell you. All right, great. So let's set this aside because now we've got to cut the lemon and the orange. Our baked Honey-Dijon citrus chicken is looking beautiful and it's ready to go in the oven. Now you're going to want to preheat the oven at about 425 degrees at a time of about 40 to 45 minutes. And we'll double check the internal temperatures to make sure that it's at about 160 degrees. So let's bake this chicken in the oven. Now that our chicken is done, we need some side dishes. One will be steamed vegetables. Now, this only takes 5.5 minutes in the microwave, and it's fresh and it tastes great. You add a little of olive oil butter and a little bit of the chicken sauce, and makes a great side dish. Now, let's move on to some white rice. Now, I love my Instant Pot. It is a really flexible appliance. I don't have a lot of room in my kitchen, and this thing can do multiple things. It can be a slow cooker, it can be a high pressure cooker, and it can be a rice cooker. And that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna cook a little bit of rice. So you're gonna wanna add about 1.5 cups of water and a cup of rice. Now, I'm going to shake that in there a little bit, just to make sure all the rice is in there, getting wet. Let's put the lid on, and make sure the lever is on seal. We will set this for 3 minutes at high pressure, and then we're going to let it sit for another 10 minutes on low pressure. Then we'll release the steam, and then we will have some delicious white rice with our delicious chicken and vegetables. That's it for today's show. I hope you enjoyed learning about how to make this dish. There'll be many more to come. Thank you so much for supporting and subscribing and commenting on my channel. And as the great Charles would say, bon appetit.